Set up credit card integration with Heartland. This video will give you general instructions related to the Heartland US credit card integration for Encore. If you have trouble with any of the steps at any point, please contact us at 1-800-805-4532 and we can assist. Step 1. Get the PIN pad turned on and connected to the internet. First, power on the PIN pad. Then, go to Settings. Tap on Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap Connect. Once the Wi-Fi is connected, tap on the circle button to go back to the home screen. Open the Portico app. Double tap at the top left corner of the screen to reveal the IP address. If the IP address is 0.0.0.0, this means the device is not connected to the internet. Record the IP address shown here. We will use this later on to connect the PIN pad to Encore. Step 2. Find your router login information. On most routers, the login information is on the back or side. Take a look at your router and search for something like an admin username with a password, an access code or an SN number. Once you have found the router login info, write it down or take a picture of it to be able to log into your router later when connecting your PIN pad to Encore. If you are unable to locate your router login information, you may need to search for this on your internet service provider's website or contact your internet service provider for assistance. Step 3. Log into the router and set up static IP/port forwarding. Open the Windows Start menu. Search for CMD and open a command prompt. Type in ipconfig and hit enter. Search for the default gateway. Highlight and copy this address. Go to an internet browser and paste the address in. This will take you to your router login page. Use the username and password from step 2 to log into your router. Once you get logged in, search for the option to static or reserve an IP address. You will need to reserve/static the IP address of the PIN pad from step 1. Next, search for the option to do port forwarding on the router. You will need to add a port forward for TCP port number 10009 at the internal IP address of the PIN pad. Your credit card machine should now work with Encore. Try sending a payment to the machine from the sales screen as a test. If this is the first time you are setting up your machine, there are additional steps that will need to be done by our support team. Please give us a call at 1-800-805-4532 and we can assist. Thanks for watching.